Today we're gonna make a low carb burger, avocado, bacon, ranch, lettuce wrapped burger. Get started on making our burgers. We're gonna use 1 pound of ground beef. So I made them into 2 patties, so they're 8 ounces each, but you could also make them smaller or make them into 4. So we're gonna sprinkle a little salt and pepper on each side. A little onion powder. Nice hot skillet. We're gonna put this down and we're gonna grill them on both sides. While our burgers are grilling, I'm gonna crisp up some bacon and have them ready for us to wrap them. Our burgers look ready, nice and juicy. So now we're gonna wrap our burgers. So we're not using bread. This is low carb. We're gonna do iceberg lettuce. So I have 2 pieces of iceberg lettuce laid on top of each other, and then I have all of our other ingredients: ranch dressing, red onion, cherry tomatoes, and avocado and bacon. So I'm gonna cut the burgers in half so it'll be easier for us to wrap it. So I'm gonna take 1 patty here. I'm gonna stack them kind of like this on top of each other so it's easy to wrap. And then on the other one. Perfect. And now our ingredients on top. So I'm gonna take half an avocado on each one. So I've sliced the avocado. We're gonna do cherry tomatoes on each one. Red onion. Oh my goodness, this looks awesome. Our bacon, so we're just doing 2 slices of bacon on each one. Press that down. And then we're gonna top that all off with our ranch dressing. I'm just gonna pour a little on top. And now we're gonna wrap them. So wrapping it kind of like a burrito, pushing the sides and over. Oh my goodness, this is a big bite burger here. All right, we're gonna cut this bad boy in half and see. Look at that. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.